Minasan konnichiwa, Cruz-sensei desu. Today we are going to talk about expressing capability using the potential form of verbs. So the potential form of verbs expresses what a person can do or what is possible. The direct object particle o is replaced by ga when the verb is in potential form. So for example, if I wanted to say, I have a shoulder ache, so I can't move my hands. Due to that shoulder aching, I can't move my hands. Kata ga itakute, te ga ugokasemasen. We have two dialogues, that we'll go through so we can see more examples of how we use this grammar point. One situation in which a friend is asking someone, hey, what's wrong? And they are expressing sympathy about it. Then we have here a doctor talking to a patient, checking out whether they can move their hands. So first things first, let's get into our u verbs. The potential form of an u verb is formed by changing the u sound in the dictionary form to eru. So we have four verbs here in dictionary form. Su, which is to inhale, hashiru, which is to run, hataraku, which is to work, and yasumu, which is to rest. If we were to put these in plain present form, the affirmatives would be sueru, hashireru, hatarakeru, and yasumeru. The plain present negative forms would be suenai, hashirenai, hatarakenai, and yasumenai. The polite present form in affirmative would be suemasu, hashiremasu, hatarakemasu, and yasumemasu. Whereas the negative would be suemasen, hashiremasen, hatarakemasen, and yasumemasen. Let me get our way back up here for the uru verbs. So we would replace uru with rareru. So wasureru, to forget. This in plain would be wasurareru, and then in negative plain would be wasurarenai. Polite present affirmative, wasureraremasen, or wasureraremasu and wasureraremasen. Okiru, to wake up, we have okirareru, okirarenai. Okiraremasu, okiraremasen. And then tsukeru, to put on, tsukerareru, tsukerarenai, tsukeraremasu, tsukeraremasen. And then our irregulars, we have suru and kuru. As you know, if it's irregular, everything's going to change. So suru in plain present affirmative becomes dekiru. Plain present negative, dekinai. Polite present affirmative is dekimasu. Polite present negative, dekimasen. Plain present affirmative for kuru is korareru. Plain present negative, korarenai. Polite present affirmative, koraremasu. Polite present negative, koraremasen. So potential forms of all verbs conjugate as ru verbs. And here is going to be a smaller form of it here. So we have here the u verbs, ru verbs, and irregular. We have their dictionary forms: plain, present, affirmative, negative, past, plain, past, affirmative, negative. Just something else that you can go and take a look at. We even have it here with their te forms. Something interesting to note is that there is no potential form for wakaru. And that is going to be it for this grammar point. When we get to class, we will be doing the hanashite mimashou. We will be practicing this together in class so we can see how we can put these into practice. Thanks so much for watching.